I will start descent. Checking pre-landing checks, brakes. We have pressure in the carriage fixed. I'll do high once we're on final. Fuel pump I will do later. Flaps I will do later as well. Instruments are set. QNH 1027. Runway heading I will set now. 280. RP check.
Torre, buon pomeriggio, Army 2857.
M8 2857, buon pomeriggio.
Sì, siamo 5 a bordo, destinazione Cagliari, la messa in moto con le eco a bordo.
Army 2857, startup approved, report ready to copy ATC clearance.
Startup is approved, ready to copy ATC clearance, 2857.
Army 2857, clear to destination Cagliari Gelmas, Peros 6 Romeo, flight plan route, initial climb altitude 5000 feet, squawk 5140.
Peros 6 Romeo, flight plan 5140, Italian Army 2857.
Army 2857, get back correct, report ready to taxi on Proxor.
Report ready to taxi, Italian Army 2857.
And Delta Charlie Fox Delta at left-hand downwind runway 28.
Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta, join final 28, number 1, report on base.
Final runway, clear for final runway 2 and report base, Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta. Okay, so now we are, I see the runway, very good. And once the view is 45 degrees angle for me, I will start to turn base. And most likely he will give us landing clearance after that, or touch and go clearance. Actually, quite high terrain here, so checking, looking for that. Have some birds here, and it's altitude. I'll start the base turn. And Delta Echo Charlie Fox Delta at base runway 28.
Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta, runway 28, clear for touch and go. Wind 270 degrees, 6 knots. Right turn after if you prefer, otherwise left as well.
Clear touch and go, runway 28, and right turn is fine, Delta Echo Charlie Fox Delta. Alright, we all set for landing, or touch and go basically, and after we will do a right turn.
Tower, buongiorno dall'RNR 46 Charlie Papa.
46 Charlie Papa Ator.
Buongiorno, possiamo aspettarci la 28 come partenza.
OBT 11.55, ce la fare a te?
Quite fun, been there on vacation now,
sì, dovremmo farcela.
landing here myself.
Dovrebbe essere disponibile, ci sentiamo comunque alla messa in moto.
Va bene, grazie. Torre Army 2857, pronto l'orologio.
Army 2857, taxi holding point Alpha 1, Foxtrot Sierra.
Alpha 1, Foxtrot, via Foxtrot Sierra, Army 2857.
Slightly wind from the left, but suddenly race. I let it lose the energy. Nice. Alright. Back, prop lever is high. RB back in. And power. Airspeed is good. Keep an eye on the engine. 60 knots rotate.